Hello everyone. I am Akshay Krishna NS from the Department of MSc Computer Science, Kannur University campus. Today, I am here to take a seminar on the topic State Space Description of Logical Systems in Artificial Intelligence. The topic is very important in AI because it explains how machines think, reason, and solve problems step by step. At first, we can look the introduction. In artificial intelligence, a state space is a way to represent all possible situations of a problem. Each situation is called a state and moving between the states happen through actions. Now, a logical system works with the facts, rules and reasoning. When we combine these two ideas, we get a powerful concept where each state represents knowledge and transitions represent reasoning steps. So basically, AI is solving problems by moving from one logical state to another until it reaches a solution. Then first we can discuss about the state space. A state space is simply the set of all possible conditions that a problem can have. First, we just you imagine a maze. Every position inside the maze is a state. AI explores these states to find a path from the starting point to the goal. The concept is used in many real world applications like games, navigation, and robotics, etc. Just to the state components of states. First, the initial state. This is where the problem begins. Next, states. These are all possible conditions the system can be in. Operator or actions. These are the rules that move us from one state to another. Finally, the goal state. This is the desired solution we want to reach. So, AI starts from the initial state, applies actions, explores states, and finally reaches the goal. Next, logical system. A logical system is used to represent knowledge using fact and rules. It allows AI to think and make decisions logically. For example, just an example, if we know all humans are mortal and Ram is a human, then simply logically we can conclude that Ram is mortal. Logical system can be of two types: propositional logic and predicate logic. They use symbols and inference rules to derive conclusions. So, logical systems help artificial intelligence or AI to perform reasoning just like humans. Then we can briefly discuss the components of state space logical system. When we combine state space and logical system, we get these components. First, the initial state. It represents fact or logical expressions. Then the operators. These are the inference rules used for reasoning. Third one, the goal state, the final conclusion state or the solution. Next one is the state transition. State transition is the movement from one state to another using rules. Then it have a path, the sequence of states from start to goal. And finally, search strategy, the method used to find the solution. AI uses search technique like breadth first search or A star search algorithm to efficiently reach the goal. Next, we can discuss about the applications of state space description in logical system. This concept is widely used in many areas of artificial intelligence. In puzzle solving or problem solving, in puzzle it solved the 8 puzzle problem. In game playing, for example, a chess, where AI predicts the move. In robotics and navigation, where robot find the path. In route finding. Nowadays we are using Google Map. It's a best example for it. It also used in natural language processing and theorem proving. So the concept is very clear, the backbone of many intelligent systems. Next, we can define the advantages and limitations of the state space description of the system. There are several advantages of using this approach. It provides a clear representation of problems. It supports logical reasoning. It allows systematic search for solutions. It is flexible and can be applied to many domains. And it supports heuristic optimization, helping finding better solution faster. And we can look the limitations. However, there are so many limitations. One major issue in state space explosion where the number of states become very large. It requires high memory. It can take a lot of time to compute. Sometimes it explores redundant states and it may not always give the optimal solution. I am here to conclude my seminar with the state space description of logical system is a powerful method in artificial intelligence. It combines structured problem representation with the logical reasoning. This helps AI to search, analyze, and find solution efficiently. It play a key role in making AI system intelligent and goal oriented. Thank you for watching. Thank you.